What is this, you might say? It's not what you think. It actually goes up this way. It's a termite bait station. It's part of the Sentricon termite management system that we install, or one of the systems that we install. And these are an always active system. The bait rods contain the active hexafluoride. So as termites intercept the station, it doesn't kill them straight away. It kills them at the molting process. So it allows them to go back to the termite colony, pass that active around through the process of trophallaxis, and we get control of the entire colony rather than just termites that are in the area. We also use another system similar in the baiting style. So this one's a Trelona system. Uses a different active, but works on the same principle. Get control of the entire colony rather than just the termites that get in touch with them. The beauty of these systems is you don't need to put hundreds of litres of chemical into a band around the perimeter of the property. These are typically 5 grams per kilogram of the active, so it's a lot smaller amount of chemical that you're placing. If you'd like to discuss termite management systems, feel free to give me a call. I'm Damian from Integrity Pest Control Mackay. My number is 042 962 3315, or you can visit my website, integritypestcontrolmackay.com.au. We do, of course, install the more traditional termite management systems, the treated area around the property, or we've got a few different options there. If you'd like to have a chat, feel free to get in touch. 042 962 3315. Cheers.